Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect appetizer, bruschetta. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need some chopped flat leaf Italian parsley, julienne of fresh basil, dry oregano, sea salt, freshly cracked pepper, garlic cloves, some crusty toasted bread, and some beautiful fresh ripe tomatoes. First you want to coat the tomatoes with some extra virgin olive oil and then add your herbs, the oregano, parsley, and I always like to add a little bit more basil, salt, and black pepper, and toss. Rub some of the crushed garlic clove on your bread for some flavor. Place the tomatoes on top of the bread, and you're ready to enjoy. Buon appetito!